Fiverr, how to make money. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, log into your Fiverr account. If you're using Gmail, just click the Continue with Google option for quick access. Once you're in, head to the top right corner and press the Switch to Selling button. This will redirect you to your seller dashboard. From there, click on My Business and then select the Gigs option. Now it's time to set up your gig. Start by filling out the gig overview, which includes your title, category, and search tags. Next, move on to the pricing section. Choose the services you want to offer and set your rates accordingly. After that, write a brief but compelling description to explain what your gig is all about. Don't forget to add a question for the buyer to make sure you get the info you need up front. Then, upload some samples of your previous work to showcase your skills and attract potential clients. And that's it. Once everything looks good, hit the Publish button and your gig will go live. You're now ready to start earning money on Fiverr.